Great job, everyone. You've just taken the first step in building your dream home. Over 40% of people don't think they can afford the house of their dreams. So we're going to stop the outrageous bids, get you off the awkward phone calls and off the internet review sites, and get you properly engaged investing in your dream home. We help people renovate their homes so they can get back to life. My name is Frank Bua, and for 18 years I've been helping people renovate their homes and get maximum VOI. That's value of investment, meaning get more than you paid for instead of less. This is highly successful and also leading to bigger ROIs if you plan to sell. I may be getting a little ahead of myself. This is all fully covered in my Design Program Manage system, but today we're just going to look at the very first step in making your dream home a real home. The project info section gets you off the phone and in front of the right people. It gives you a time frame, projected cost, and gives the person you send it to a quick snapshot of you and your project. Enter your name, number or email, project address, and list the rooms or just say all. The calendar instantly saves time with people who are unavailable. You'll notice there's no budget section. As a check writer, I bet your budget is memorized. Instead, we use a basic negotiating tactic, giving your prospects a number to beat instead of revealing what you'd like to pay. A quick web search for construction and professional costs in your area will allow you to quickly convert any number into your projected cost. Next, wants and needs. And while you may have many, we suggest you keep focused on your top goals. You want to make sure your money goes where you want it and not where someone thinks you want it. In reality, you do have a budget, so the idea is to spend that money where you most want it to go. And to do that takes some prioritizing. We all want to relax and recharge at the end of every day in a private, warm bathroom, probably with a glass of wine, updated tile, and a bigger vanity. Needs. Let's prioritize the top 3. Storage for towels, soft lighting for selfies, and glass shower doors so we don't have to replace curtains. Next, inspiration images. We all have a folder with 1,000 images in there. For now, we've given you 3 ideas of what to show to get a better bid. Of course, you can use any photos you'd like. Simply click the square and upload. What's the mood you want, a look you love, and a favorite specialty piece. Next up, job requires. These options were specifically chosen because they may represent price kickers you want to be clear about in the beginning. Simply check all that you know apply, and let whoever bids fill out the missing info. Finally, requesting bids from. Oftentimes people aren't sure and start with a general contractor or architect. Whichever you choose, this gives an opportunity for the chosen one to make referrals, additionally helping you project additional costs. Now the bid finder is completed, you can save it and attach it to your email correspondence. And now you'll be able to get apples to apples price comparisons that help you get the best deals. And now that you're engaged, organized, and in control, you're ready for the next steps. And we have a proven model with a very specific framework to get you moved into your dream home in only 9 steps. So I'd like to invite you to consider making a very small time investment in your home renovation success by scheduling a 15-minute strategy session with me for no cost. That way, I can get you ultra clear about your specific strategy and get you started by figuring out the top 3 things that you should be doing right now if you want to live more comfortably faster. So go ahead, click the button below, and I'll see you on the other side.